Today's tip is directed to women. Because of the gender inequality that still exists in many corporations, during the 40 years that I have been training presentation skills and giving workshops, I trained more men than women. But still, I trained hundreds of women, and they have one thing in common. Not everyone does it, but most women have this problem. They seem to feel insecure, or they seem to be apologetic for being at the podium and for making an important speech. And this shows in the way they stand and in the way they speak. For some reason, they will have a wonderful, important sentence, but they will present it as a question, ending powerful sentences with an inflection up instead of ending it down as it should. It's important that you become aware whether you're doing that or not. I would advise you to record your speech, listen to it, and if you have this tendency of asking a question, try to practice until you lose it. It projects insecurity, and you don't want that. And you can lose that inflection if you just try. I'll be back with more tips to help you succeed. For more information or to get my handbook, click on the link.